nature guy, and I got something cool I want to show you. Look at behind me. Look how beautiful this is. We are on a private island in the Bahamas, and I want to talk about these plants that you see here. They're called mangroves. Such a cool little plant, pretty unique because of the way that they grow in the salt water. They've got these really cool seeds that drop from the tree into the water. They kind of float down the canals of these mangroves, and then they put down little roots that then, of course, grab into the sand and allows them to grow. They're one of the few woody plants that can actually grow in salt water. Kind of cool. But the neat thing is that these serve so many purposes. Of course, animal habitat being number one. So many crabs and fish and those marine animals like to live underneath these mangroves. But inside of the trees, it's such a great safe haven for birds because not many predators will get into that water and get up and get those birds in the nest. So it's a great way for birds to be safe high up. And last but not least, these mangroves, they are so important for all of the surrounding land around me because they actually protect from the surf. So when the waves start getting high and a hurricane comes and what's called the storm surge, when all that water comes up, all these mangroves actually help to reinforce that land, protecting this from the giant storms that sometimes happen out in the oceans out here. And by the way, the Bahamas, part of the Atlantic Ocean, just off the coast of Florida. But what a beautiful day it is. You can see how beautiful and blue that water is. Such a tropical paradise out here. If you have the chance to come, you gotta come check it out. Guys, until next time, I am Jeff the Nature Guy, and I'll see you at the zoo.